I'll be showing you guys on how to share photos with friends on iOS 18. So it's really quite easy. Just go ahead and open your Photos app, and now just go ahead and select the photos that you would like to share with your friends. So let's say you want to share these 3 photos, and right after you do that, just look at your left bottom corner. You can see this share option. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you have option to share photos via WhatsApp, Viber, Snapchat, and messages. You can also use messages right here, and mail, notes, journal, TikTok. So there are all kinds of options. But if you want to use airdrop, then just go ahead and tap on airdrop right here, and your friend's device should appear. And just go ahead and tap on their device and wait for them to accept the photos, and you can see that it has been sent. So in this way, you can successfully share photos with friends on iOS 18. If you found this video helpful and you want more helpful tutorial like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.